Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm LOukik and I just reached 100k subscribers thanks to you guys that you supported me from 2017. I started back in 2011 honestly, but I started posting more videos about makeup tutorials on 2017. So especially thanks to Siddharth Jaswal, a very amazing makeup artist who inspired me to do amazing videos for him, and that's how it started. And thanks to all other makeup artists who worked for my channel and all the beautiful models and the designers. Thanks to you guys that I reached this goal today. And keep supporting, keep subscribing, keep checking my new videos. Hey guys, I got this YouTube award for 100,000 subscribers, and it just came today. As you can see, YouTube. And let's open this. Okay. Play button, and as you can see, that's the silver play button, guys. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. It's probably reflecting a lot. So that's their name. Hey guys, this is probably my first vlog which I'm starting for my YouTube channel, and I have a reason for this video because, okay, let me open the mask because I'm in my own car, so it won't be a problem. Hey guys, and okay, so today I'm going right now to a shoot. Yes, it's my own photo shoot. Yes, I'm a photographer, but this is my own photo shoot. And guess what it is? And guess why I'm shooting for this? Because I just got the silver play button, which I'm right now carrying with myself, and I will be shooting for myself, for my channel, and I'll be doing the VTS, which I'm doing right now, and I hope it goes well. This is my first vlog, so I hope it goes really nice, and I'm really nervous about it. I've never done any kind of proper lifestyle vlogging, but this is my first lifestyle vlogging, as you can see, which I'm covering the BTS as well of my own photo shoot, which photographer Rohit Ganguly will be covering for me, who is also assisting me very recently. He started assisting me. So this is not for my modeling project, but this is just for the YouTube, for the silver play button. I'm shooting for myself for a cover shoot, and I'm really excited about it. Hope it goes well. Hey guys, and the shoot is done, and now I'm returning to my home, and this is probably my last clip of this lifestyle video. And so stay tuned for more types of lifestyle vlogging and travel vlogging, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like if you like it, please do subscribe and share if you can, and please do check my other videos, and you can check my makeup tutorials of different makeup artists over here and actually films over here. So bye bye for now, take care.